Hey there, welcome back to PMN Online. Today I will walk you through how to upscale AI videos in Grok Imagine. Have you ever created an AI-generated video that you absolutely loved, only to find yourself wishing it looked a bit sharper, clearer, or even more detailed? Well, this tutorial is perfect for you. Upscaling in Grok Imagine can significantly boost the resolution of your video. It enhances edges, textures, and motion, ensuring that your final output is not only sharper, but also maintains the original creative intent you had in mind. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, you need to generate your video within the Grok Imagine section. If you are starting from scratch, you can use the text-to-video feature. This is ideal if you're creating a scene from a written prompt. Alternatively, if you have a still image that you want to bring to life, the image-to-video option is your go-to. This feature allows you to animate a photo or a render. During this stage, be sure to set your key options, such as the duration of the video and the style you're aiming for. Once you've configured these settings, let the system render your base clip. It's important to note that the upscaling process yields the best results when your initial video is already fairly clear. Hence, aim for a strong initial output before proceeding to the next steps. Next, locate your generated clip. Navigate to the My Creations section or the Showcase gallery to find what you've created. Typically, your most recent items will appear at the top. The thumbnails will assist you in quickly identifying the right clip. If your render is still in progress, it's wise to wait until it's fully completed. This way, you ensure that you're working with a stable file. Once your clip is ready, open it up and check the options available on the video player. Click on the video to reveal the controls. Look for the three dots icon or the Options button. This menu is where Grok Imagine houses its enhancement tools. Take a moment to double-check that you have selected the correct version of your clip, especially if you've been working on multiple drafts or iterations. From the menu, choose the Upscale or HD Upgrade option. This enhancement increases the resolution and reconstructs details, all while preserving the motion of your video. If you encounter multiple quality choices, the default setting is generally a safe choice for achieving a clean result that doesn't alter the overall look of your scene. Here's a pro tip for you. Before you upscale, download the original low-resolution version of your video. In some galleries, the new upscaled file might replace the old one. By saving a local copy, you keep your baseline intact. Use a clear file name, like Project Name Original, to avoid any confusion later on. Now, let's move on to the processing stage. The AI will work its magic, rebuilding detail and motion frame by frame. For a typical 10-second clip, you can expect the processing to take approximately 8 to 10 seconds. However, longer or more complex videos might take a bit more time. It's crucial to keep the tab open and avoid any interruptions during this phase to ensure the process completes smoothly. Once the upscaling is finished, take a moment to preview the result. Pay close attention to the fine textures, edges, and any fast movements to confirm that the upgrade has achieved the desired effect. And there you have it. Generate your video, locate it in your library, access the options, select Upscale, and let Grok Imagine handle the rest. Remember to save your originals, compare the results, and enjoy your sharper, more professional-looking AI video. That's it for this tutorial on how to upscale AI videos in Grok Imagine. If you found it useful, hit subscribe and stay tuned for more helpful videos.